So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, Apple Watch Series 4 goes on sale starting at rupees 40,900. So to know more about it, keep watching this video till end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the Apple Watch Series 4 is now available for purchase in India at a starting price of rupees 40,900. The sale has been started in India on October 19. The Watch Series 4 is available in two options, GPS model and GPS plus cellular model. Also there are two sizes, 40mm and 44mm. So let's see the prices of Apple Watch Series 4 in India. Apple Watch Series 4 GPS 40mm cost rupees 40,900 and it is available in 6 band options. Apple Watch Series 4 GPS 44mm cost rupees 43,900 and it is available in 6 band option. Apple Watch Series 4 GPS plus cellular 40mm starts at rupees 49,900 and goes up to rupees 76,900. It depends on the choice of the band and it is available in 12 band variants. Apple Watch Series 4 GPS plus cellular 44mm starts at rupees 52,900 and goes up to rupees 80,900. It depends on the choice of band and it is available in 12 band variants. Apple authorized distributors have some exclusive offers for the Apple Watch Series 4. Buyers can avail 5% cashback on EMI plans from Citibank and Axis Bank credit cards. There is also the option of no cost EMI. EMI starts at rupees 1799 for 24 months. So if you want to buy this product, the link of this product is in the description box below. You can go and check out it from there. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new here and press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.